Mailchimp tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and search for Mailchimp.com. Once the website loads, log into your account. If you don't have one yet, click the sign up button in the middle of the page to create a new account. Navigate to the website section and click it. Then select the sign up free option to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your business email, username, and password. After filling in these fields, click the sign up button to continue. Next, verify your email by opening your Gmail inbox and clicking the Activate Account button in the email from Mailchimp. Once activated, begin by entering your first name, last name, and business name. Then click the Next button. You will then be asked to select an option that describes your organization, where you can choose to skip this step by clicking the Skip button. Continue skipping all the following steps until you reach the payment page. On this page, scroll down and find the Continue Free button, then click it. You will be redirected to Mailchimp's homepage. From there, go to the top left corner and click the Create button to begin designing your email.